everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. So for this video is I'm gonna make a new video for this. So we right here, so I think you already saw the thumbnail, right? So okay, without further ado, I'm gonna start off. So yeah, so sometimes when I am not doing anything, so I just read some novels, read some books, read some comics and magazines, right? So yeah, this right here is one of my pastime also, and one of my hobbies also. Yeah, sorry. So I am also collecting some. Sorry, I am collecting some magazines, and also novels, and also some comic books, right? So okay, without further ado, let's gonna start up. Okay, so yeah, we've got right here is also I've got a Spider-Man right over here, right? So yeah, I've got a comic book Spider-Man. Alright, so yeah, next is also got right over here is I don't know where is the okay, it's from Vertigo. We've got also we got also The Last Man over here. So yeah, this is from the Vertigo comics, which is part of the DC also, right? So part of DC. And right over here is from another Vertigo is The Last Man again. So I forgot because you know there's an issue every comic book, right? So there's an issue every comic book. So the issue for this one is issue number 31, right? So I forgot for this one also the Spider-Man. So we got the issue number I didn't see issue number, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna skip for that one. So we got right here the Last Man, issue number 31. And also this is the Last Man again, Last Man, which is issue, I don't know. So it's you know, have some, you know what, over here, right? There's a, you know, there's a number over here, number sign. So I don't know what is the, you know, what is the issue for this one, right? So yeah, what is the issue for this one? But you know, still good, and I already finished it up. So right, so I already finished it up. So we've got another here is The Last Man, issue number 50 again. So from again Vertigo DC. And also we've got right here the DC's Young Animal, right? So Shade the Changing Woman, right? So DC's Young Animal. So I think part of DC, right? So gonna have to check that out also. Yeah, and also a really good story about it. So a really good story. And also I've got another The Last Man again. So this is the issue number 24 also. I forgot the issue for this one. Okay, I forgot the issue. Yeah, I didn't see any issue. Yeah, so I didn't see any issue for this one. So yeah, this is Young Animal, Shade the Changing Woman. Okay. And also the next is also we got The Last Man again. We got the issue number 24 right over here, right? So, and we got over here from another from DC is The Flash right over here. I already finished it up, and it's a really good one also, right? And this is an issue number, okay. No, I didn't see any issue number, okay? Because you know, you have to what is this called? You have to make the issue, right? So you get issue number 1, number 2, number 3, like that one. So and also I've got some magazines right over here, right? So I've got the Ultimate Guide to Pokemon also. I really love Pokemon, right? So Pokemon is my childhood also, right? And this is an Ultimate Guide, right? So any games and TV series, right? And they have a bunch of right over here. And when you look at that, a big poster of Rayquaza, right? So a shiny Rayquaza. So if I can take it out, I can take it out also, right? So yeah, this already been, you know, the shiny Rayquaza from the Pokemon Horizon, right? So I haven't finished it up watching the Pokemon Horizon also, right? Yeah, there you go. So this one right here is a Pokemon magazine, right? So and I also reading love reading like this one, right? So and also right here is the official comic book stores of Superman that inspired new movie, right? So the new movie that was released last year, right? So James Gunn's DCU, starring Corey Sweet as the new Superman right over here. Yeah, the movie is also, I really like it. Especially Crypto, right? So right over here is also at the back. We get some right over here, and yeah, it's so fun. It's so fun to I haven't finished it yet, right? I haven't finished it. It's so fun to read some comics like this one, right? So, and it's also from Marvel again. So from Marvel, so I've got the Marvel Universe magazine right over here, in which I think I already made a video for this one, right? So yeah, I think I already made a video for it. So we get the Marvel Universe magazine right over here. So all of the happening of the Marvel Universe, right? Right. Oops, okay. Right over here, right? So, and you can read it up. Okay, I can read it up. So I think I do it because I just bought this in a thrift store, right? So a long time ago when I got here, and I know when I got here, so and then got a job, so gonna have to buy this because I am a big fan of superheroes like Marvel and DC, right? So next is also got right over here. We got the Superman. Okay, we've got a Superman right over here. Comic book of Superman, and also got right over here we've got some another Superman with Red Tornado. Yeah, I forgot. So I think that is Red Tornado, right? So yeah, Red Tornado, and also another Superman right over here. We got Superman, the Man of Steel. So I think this is gonna be the next movie making by James Gunn, right? So the sequel of the Superman, which is the Superman Man of Steel. I have it already, yes, and also yeah, bunch of comics that I seen in a thrift store, right? So yeah, gonna have to buy some more. So because I really enjoying reading some comics, right? So from your favorite superheroes, right? And it's also yeah, I've got some magazine right over here, which is also a Yellowstone, right? I got some, from a Yellowstone, and all of the features and landmarks of the Yellowstone right over here, right? In this magazine also, and also I've got a book right also. Okay, gonna have to take it out. All right. So I got right here is James Patterson's Lion and Lamb. So it's quite interesting, right? It's because the story is really good, and also I really love it. So I still haven't finished it yet, right? So I bought this on King Supers, right? So we've got the Lion and Lamb for 40% off. So $11.99 through last year, right? So January, February, March, April 8, 2025, right? So yeah, there's some other books are on sale, right? So they just marked down the price for this. They just marked down the price for this one. So I haven't finished it yet, but the story is getting interesting, right? So here they can catch a killer if they don't kill each other first. Whoa, why? Then look at that, a nice introduction right over there. So right over here is the quite interesting right here is when I saw the summary for this one is what is this one? Philadelphia is in a state of shock over the fate of two hometown heroes. Eagles starting quarterback Archie Hughes and his even more famous wife, Grammy-winning singer Francine Hughes. Okay, I think this is a true story, right? So one spouse is murdered, the other is suspect number one. Yeah, so this one is really good. So I haven't finished it yet, but it is getting interesting, right? When I read it. So yeah, I really like this one. So yeah, I think that's for my that I have so many magazines and comic books, right? But this one right here is the one that I am bringing up. So right, so I'm gonna have to continue that up. I'm gonna have to continue making some of this one, right? So I'm gonna have a part 2 for this one, right? So okay, yeah, and I think that's it for this video, and also I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and see you again on the next one.